What's your name?
My name is John.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Greece.
How old are you?
I'm 35 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Are you a student?
No, I'm not.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat toast and eggs.
What time is it?
It's 3:30.
What do you do every day?
I go to work and study.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, twice a week.
Where do you work?
I work at a hospital.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I do.
What do you do at night?
I watch TV and relax.
When do you go to bed?
At 11 p.m.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I do. I cook dinner every night.